Alright guys, so I got the package in. It's right there. I'm gonna unbox it, and when these folks leave, I'll say hi. My parents hired landscapers to do their yard, but when they're gone, I'll get everything situated for you. Right there. They do a good job. I would recommend them, but this video is not about them. It's about this beloved product that Petsure sent us. It's more than a product, it's more than comfort. So just give me a second. I'll assemble it, and I gotta figure out what I need to get this built for the dogs. So I'll be right back. Whew. So I just realized that I don't need much tools. Get back in there, boy. I don't need the dogs in here just right now. So my dog will be able to fit on that. And she'll just lay down and do it comfortably. So within this product, they give us this hex star wrench thing, which is pretty awesome. Heck yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this, and we'll get into details after I get everything settled. And today's model will be my parents' dog. Is gonna remodel this, and then I'll bring up mine, because I know that Matissimo would love to use that. So I'm going to put it right here and stuff. And let me get it to hyperlapse so you guys can see me build it in full. So I got the medium. I didn't want to get the overly large one. And as you can tell, it's holding a 75-pound German Shepherd. And I got this from our dear friend Petsure on Amazon. All the links down below will be for our friends from Amazon, and hopefully you guys will like a product like this. This thing is 8 inches off the ground, keeps your pet cool from overheating during the summer months, and that cloth material is washable. It can be used for indoors and outdoors. It doesn't matter what size pet you have. They have it in small, large, and medium. And as you can see, like I said earlier, it is holding a 75-pound dog. And it could hold his weight easily. No problems at all. So what do you think about the product? Do you like it? It feels good? I don't know if it could fit in their cage, but I don't think I'm going to test that out. I may not. So, if you guys really love your pets, go to Amazon, and these friends of ours that has sent us this to try out would be happy for you guys to go ahead and buy some of their product. Now this one costed about $28, so with shipping it's $30. Not bad. Alright, so you guys want to know what this product is all about. So this product comes in the color of gray, which they only have one at the time, I believe. You can find the information on Amazon. Everything for this product will be in the link down below. So this is a elevated comfort Petsure Elevated Dog Bed. 8 inches off the ground. Lifts your doggy paw off wet, muddy grass to keep him or her clean and cool, especially on rainy or hot days. Durable Teslin recyclable and non-toxic mesh allows air to flow right through the fabric, and she will be feeling the breeze in the summer. Can ease the stress, pain on your pet's joints. The dimensions are medium raised dog cot, 43-inch L tons by 31.5 width by 8-inch high. Frame 36-inch large by 31 wide. Mesh up to 65 pounds. Perfect for all breeds and ages of dogs and cats. Easier for older pets to hop on or off. Easy to clean pet hair, dirt, and grime. Don't cling to the tight mesh. You can hose the surface, tap water only, or hand wash with mild soap and let air dry. This product can be used in or outdoors. Easy to assemble and disassemble for transport, including one mesh, 4 legs, 2 legs extension rods, 4 cross supports extension rods, 4 screws won't rust, and 1 hex key. You could place a dog pad on top of the mesh like a mattress to make it softer in your living room. Take it on camping trips or let your sidekick sprawl out in the sun. So this product also comes with certification guaranteed, made from BSIC certified factory. Available in Petsure Elevated Dog Bed. Medium raised cot for medium dog and cats. Gray variable Petsure trademark products. Petsure guarantees to provide 1 month return and replacement service and lifetime free customer service. We want our customers to be 100% satisfied. This product, durable design, well-built frame, helps the pet bed stable and safely elevated your dog to rest easy on durable sleeping surfaces, supports your pets comfortably, and resists rip and claw, equipped with skid resistant feet. Our elevated bed product protects your floors from scratches and keeps the bed from sliding when your dog jumps off of. I'm pretty sure she loves it. She loves it. Cyprus, do you like it? Yeah? Hey. You're making a horrible job here, buddy. Hey, go load up. Go. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright. So, our volunteer for this brand deal seems to like it. I moved it over there so my dad doesn't get mad, because my dad sometimes will get mad if I readjust things. My dad's one of those people that are OCD type thing. So let's see what we got the verdict. She obviously likes it because that's the only thing she can get on top of. And it's 8 inches off the ground. And she can stare and gander out the window. Even if she turns around, she can still gander out the window, which is pretty cool. Let me get this out. Yeah. No treats in here, buddy. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. How you doing? Good job, buddy. You're a good boy. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. We're making a horrible out here. We're making a horrible brand deal. She'll get better at it. She'll get better. We're gonna let you guys go and check out the product. I know you're probably happy. Our very first brand deal for the channel. And this will also be on my Instagram. It's Jose Sanders Journeys, at Jose Sanders Journeys on Instagram. So also check it out there. Alright, girl. Say goodbye. Hey, say goodbye. She also wants to know if any brand deal companies or any company out there, she also wants to be a brand deal ambassador for your products. So, if you know anybody that's willing to have her review your product, try it out, be a model, she's more than willing. Alright guys, peace, love, stay true, and be happy.